All right, folks, so for lesson number one in our new format, we're going to be playing around with Let It Be by the Beatles. Great song that only uses four chords, and they're four chords that you should be familiar with. And we're also going to introduce the rock ballad strum. So this is going to incorporate chord changes and a nice strumming pattern. So first of all, let's check that we're in tune. So here are my notes. There's my low E, A, D, G, B, and then the high E. All right, so in all these videos, I'll do those tuning notes just so if you want to try to play along, you'll get a chance to tune up your guitar. And in these videos, feel free to stop, rewind, do whatever you need to do to catch whatever is happening. I'll go slow, but you always obviously have the option to just stop it and slow it down and repeat if you need to. So again, Let It Be by the Beatles, four chords: G, D, E minor, and C. So those are the four chords that get used in this song, and they're all in the same family. They're all in the key of G, so those chords really fit together well. So first of all, the rhythm of the chords. It's very similar throughout the whole song. So just taking the first verse, the chords move like this. All right, so that's the verse, and that's all we're really worried about right now in this video. So that would be the part, and you'll have the music right next to this video on the Schoology post. So the lyrics at that point, this is the part. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So that's part of that first verse. Now, so you want to be able to have the chords change that evenly. You notice my hands aren't moving that much, just enough motion to get to the chords. I don't take my hand away from the guitar, I leave it right there and move my fingers onto those chords. So you don't see a lot of motion. Now the other thing I talked about is this idea of the rock ballad strum. So anytime you're playing a slow song like Let It Be, you can make it more active by changing your strum. And we may have talked about this in class, but what I was just doing there was just basic downstrokes. Find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. So perfectly fine to use that strum, but it's not very active. So maybe if you started the song like that and then wanted to get more energetic as it went along, you could go to the rock ballad strum. So here's what the rock ballad strum sounds like. It's got a bounce. So down, 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 up, down, up. In times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So see that rock ballad strum, down, 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 up, down, up. on those downstrokes, I'm not strumming the whole chord. I'm just sort of targeting the bottom notes of the chord. And that gives you your rock ballad strum. So Let It Be by the Beatles. Just see about getting through the verse. The chords and the lyrics will be posted here. And see if this video helps you get that rock ballad strum together. This is really effective, and it will make your playing much more dynamic. But again, take it slow. No need to rush, but hopefully this video will help you put that together. All right, see you soon.